To help you choose the industrial truck that is right for your job, OSHA has organized them into 7 classes. Classes 1 through 5 are forklifts and other lift trucks. These machines often have massive counterbalance weights that allow them to lift very heavy loads. Class 1 trucks are counterbalance forklifts that are powered by electric motors. Since these machines don't produce exhaust gas, they can be a good choice for use inside warehouses and other buildings. Class 2 trucks are narrow aisle lift trucks and order pickers. Some of these machines actually raise their operators to where they can easily reach the materials they're after. So fall protection must be worn by workers who are using this equipment. Class 3 vehicles are electric-powered hand trucks, such as pallet jacks that operators can ride, walk behind, or lead. Even though you don't drive some of these machines, you must still be properly trained before you use them. Classes 4 and 5 are counterbalance forklifts that are powered by gasoline, diesel, or propane. Class 4 forklifts are outfitted with solid rubber tires. As a result, they can only be used on paved surfaces. Class 5 forklifts, on the other hand, have pneumatic tires, which allows them to drive on unpaved surfaces as well. In addition to these classes of general industry lift trucks, OSHA classifies 2 other types of vehicles as powered industrial trucks. Class 6 trucks are tractor-like machines, such as the vehicles that pull luggage carts at airports. Since these don't lift loads, they are not considered counterbalanced. This makes them lighter and somewhat easier to drive. Class 7 trucks are counterbalanced rough-terrain lift trucks. Unlike other lift trucks, Class 7 machines have booms that allow them to pick up and place materials in difficult-to-reach locations. Additional training is required to operate these trucks safely.